Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix notification sound not working on iPhone. Silent notification on your iPhone can be frustrating, especially when you miss important alerts. This video will help you to restore your iPhone's notification sound quickly and easily. But first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. The first step is turning off silent mode on iPhone. Locate the switch on the left of your iPhone above the volume buttons. Flip the switch so the orange indicator is not showing. And you are done. And the next step is deactivating do not disturb and focus mode. Swipe down from the top right corner to access the control center and look for the focus mode icon. If it's illuminated, tap it to turn it off. You can press and hold the focus mode icon to manage and disable any active focus modes. Then tap on the focus mode and you are done. And the next step is adjusting notification volume on iPhone. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to sound and haptics option. Then adjust the ringtone and alert slider to set the volume for notifications. And disable change with buttons to keep notification volume consistent. And you are done. And the next step is configuring app specific notification sound. For this, go to settings, scroll down and go to notifications option. Tap on it. Next, scroll down and then find the specific app such as messages or email. Tap on it. Then scroll down, go to sounds and toggle the notification sound on or off as needed. And you are done. And the next step is restart your iPhone. For this, you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and then press the power button. Next, slide to power off and then wait for some time and then press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen. And you are done. Restarting can resolve various issues including problems in notification sound. I hope these solutions will fix your issue of notification sound not working on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.